Hi, everybody. My name is Brian Willemse. I am a demonstration teacher from Indian Springs High School, and I was going to walk you through a little bit about what I do in my Google Classroom as far as the classwork is concerned. The main focus of this screencast is comparing how I handle synchronous work versus asynchronous work, and how that is can help facilitate the classroom in a little bit better way. So up in the classwork section, I have all of my assignments grouped by week. Okay, and I try to make it exceptionally clear for the students, like this is what they're supposed to do on 8/17, this is what they're supposed to do on 8/18, 8/19, etc. Okay. Every time I have a synchronous assignment, I use this emoji right here. And every time I have an asynchronous assignment, I use that emoji right there. And that way the kids just always know, oh, we're doing this in class, or oh, we're doing this outside of class. It's just a management tool that helps things run a little bit smoother. I kind of make it about me, like, you know, I'm a hiker, so I put a mountains, and I'm Dutch, and so I put the Dutch flag. And it's just kind of a little community building thing. But the point is, every time they see that, they know I need to do that on my own. And every time they see that, they know we're going to do this in class. Okay. I also clump it by date, so there's no question. And essentially, I kind of structure it such that every time we run a block schedule, so every time I see them, we have a synchronous assignment, and every day we're off, there's an asynchronous assignment. So you can see this particular class I see on the 17th, Monday, Tuesday, the 18th, and Thursday, the 20th. And so they have asynchronous assignments the 19th and the 21st. Okay. I always try to make the synchronous assignments interactive. I try to make them so that we're doing something in class. This was a peer edit activity that they did, where they were looking at each other's binders through breakout rooms and Zoom. I try to leave all the lecture-y stuff for the asynchronous because I want them doing as much as possible. We're going over an assignment on the 20th, and that is a quiz where I just made it out of Google Forms, just basically checking for understanding. So it's a checking for understanding tool more than anything in that situation. You can see that this is gray. That means it's scheduled. The way I structure my classroom is I always put the asynchronous assignments up on Sunday. That way they have the full week to do them. There's no question. There's always the directions, and if I need to, I'll put a screencast there as well. But I schedule the assignments for the synchronous sessions. That way they don't pop up until the class shows up. So you can kind of see over here, right, that it's scheduled for tomorrow at 10:30. This is when I see the class. That way I ensure everyone's doing them at the same time, and I can give adequate directions. In order to schedule the assignment, it's pretty simple. When I create it, I'm just going to create the assignment. I'll type in all of the information, and once it's ready, I'll have the opportunity to schedule it right there in the upper right-hand corner instead of assigning it. And I can set the day and time. And I always set it for the time that I see that class so that I don't have misunderstandings. People try to jump ahead. Kids aren't ready yet. And it ensures that we're doing the asynchronous, we're doing the synchronous work as well as they can. And at the same time with my monitoring. A lot of the times I'll do things that I can monitor, a common group PowerPoint, a quiz like there, a Kahoot, something to that effect, so I can monitor it as they go. Hopefully that's helpful and gives you a little bit of an idea of how I structure my synchronous and asynchronous assignments. And if you have any questions about anything, you can always search up my email. My name is Brian Willemse from Indian Springs High School. Thank you so much.